There you go. What's the name of this book?
Brown bear.
Brown bear, brown bear. What do you see?
Numbers.
You have to see the numbers. Okay. All right, here we go. Brown bear, what do you see? Are you ready? Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. That's not a red bird! That's a yellow duck! Let's go back to red bird, okay? Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Can you turn the page? See if you can find the yellow duck. That's not a yellow duck, that's a blue horse! Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Ready?
Yeah.
Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Ready? Turn the page. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead, turn the page. That's not a purple cat! That's a white dog! Why did you get the white dog? You skipped the purple cat. Let's go back to the purple cat. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. Ready? White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. You want to find the black sheep? Go ahead. That's not a black sheep, that's a goldfish! Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. That's not a teacher, that's all the animals. You skipped it. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Okay, Bear, can you name all the animals?
Yeah.
And you got to do, what's the animal name? What's his sound? And what color is he? Go ahead.
That bear's brown.
And it says?
Brown bear.
No, brown bear says?
Roar.
Okay. Red bird.
Says tweet.
Tweet.
Yellow duck says quack, quack.
Good.
Blue horse says neigh.
Good.
Nay.
Green frog says ribbit.
Okay.
Ribbit.
Green frog says meow.
Green frog says meow.
Green frog says meow?
Yeah.
What? Green frog?
Yeah.
That's who.
And purple cat.
And he says what?
What does the purple cat say?
Meow.
Right.
And a white dog says ruff.
Okay.
Ruff.
And a black sheep says bah.
Bah.
Black sheep?
Yeah.
Can you say your joke?
The goldfish said goop, goop, goop.
And what does teacher say?
I
You know, like the teacher says, no. And teacher looking at us, that's what we see. And there's that brown bear's bottom. That's